Hello everyone! On this video, I am going to show you on how to make homemade plain cream cheese, my own version. Actually, to make a delicious cream cheese is so simple. If you have a milk at home that is about to expire for some reason, then do not throw it, because you can make cream cheese out of it and other kinds of cheese. And now here are my ingredients. First, we're going to have 2 liters of fresh milk, and this is a pasteurized daily whole milk. 2 to 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 lemon juice, I cut it in half already, and a salt to taste. So that's depending on your taste. You can put teaspoon but lower than that measurement. Okay, so to start the procedure, we're going to pour 2 liters of milk into the pot. Here's my 1 liter. And another 1 liter to make it 2. Now I'm going to turn on the heat and start with a high temperature or high heat. And to make our own cream cheese, first we need to boil the milk. And if you are going to use raw milk, like what you have in the farm that just came out from the cow or from a carabao, because there are some places who cannot buy a fresh milk from the grocery store, so they might have raw milk like in the farm, or sometimes you take it on your own, like if you are having this backyard farm. So if you're having this raw milk, as I have said, you have to keep the milk over 72 Celsius, that is about that is 162 degrees Fahrenheit. You are going to boil that for 2 to 3 minutes. That is for the raw milk. Okay, and this time we're going to add the lemon juice. I'm going to squeeze a fresh lemon juice here. That's it. Okay, make sure you drain or you strain your lemon juice, guys, so there's no pulp could go in. You don't have to put everything right away. I'm going to put the other half. And at this point, you can see the milk that is going to curdle right away. Okay guys, so when the milk curdles and the green layer appears just like this, we're going to collect the curdle with a sieve. Just like this one. So we're going to strain it. Small left.
Isn't this one cottage cheese?
Yeah, you can make cottage cheese out of this. You can make a mozzarella.
So this is cottage cheese already, right?
Looks like a cottage cheese, but we want a plain cream cheese. So while the cheese is still hot, we're going to add a pinch of salt. Okay, and this is depending on your taste. If you want it more, you can add more, but for me, I'm just using, let's see, two pinch of salt, and that's it. And at this point, you already have a cheese. The next step to this, guys, is we're going to blend the curdle. I'm going to use this small machine here because we want our cream cheese smooth. Okay, let's make sure there's no more water dripping. This is not much cream cheese. Okay, and then now we're going to add the 2.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Well, you can use any oil if you want. If you have grapeseed oil, if you have coconut oil, canola oil, you can use it with this recipe. But I like to use this olive oil because this is what I have on hand. Okay. Sorry about the noise, guys. Okay guys, so there's no specific time how long you're going to blend the cheese. So as long as it looks smooth, and that's it. You got your cream cheese. Now I'm going to transfer this in this bowl. And while it's hot, you can also eat with your bread or with your toast. And to get this hardened, all you have to do is to cool it down in the fridge, and you can have it the next morning. Ito na yung finished plain cream cheese natin, guys. I-try nyo to sa mga bahay ninyo. For sure, magugustuhan nyo to. And yet, makakatipid pa kayo kung kayo mismo ang gagawa ng plain cream cheese ninyo. At makakaiwas pa kayo sa mga preservatives na nakukuha natin sa mga store-bought plain cream cheese. Ito ay pwede nyong i-spread to any kind of bread. Pwede rin siya sa crackers. Pwede rin siya sa pang-dipping ng mga vegetables ninyo, gaya ng cucumber, celeries, or pwede nyo siyang kainin as it is. Let me know kung ano yung comment ninyo, sabihin niyo dun sa comment box ko. At sana magustuhan ninyo itong recipe ko. No? So, salamat at see you all in my next video. Okay, bye for now.